Summer, why are you sniffing my butt? Queenie. Summer like, a male dog, a female dog, 2 female dogs. I got you on camera. But you still keep coming back to my butt. They first little meeting and date.
Oh, here you go. I told you. You hear him whining? He mad. He whining, she won't stay still. He crazy. He over here like.
Cause Princess probably would have came out and like ran the opposite way. Cause he's so little. And then she probably just came up and sniffed and tried to give him a bath. Cause she loved to lick everything.
Pull the girl dog.
Yes.
Yeah, she was calm. It was a boy dog that was up there clowning. Steve had him having a headlock.
Girl, cause he didn't want to go. He like, no, what the hell is that coming up in the crib? I want to know. I want to smell it. Like, I know. That's just too cute. You been on Facebook? Cause I tagged you the pictures.
Oh, I seen them. I had like a lot of notifications. I'm like, what the heck is this? And I looked and it was those pictures. I'm gonna get up here. Up here. That's why.
Queenie like, oh my goodness, I actually have somebody that I can play with that's my size.
He's nothing but hair.
Yes, but it's soft though. That's the good thing. It ain't all like, girl.
We give him a bath every week.
He like, get on my booty. Queenie, you see Simba?
Guess what he doing over there? He's sniffing her piss.
Oh.
What are you doing to the door?
Scratching that? No, he's sniffing the door. That's King sniffing the door. Girl, you see what he did to the blinds? And then he took the one from out of there and actually grabbed the whole blind and snatched it out the window when I was leaving. That's why I said the cover up there, and he did it to the other 2 blinds in there.
Yeah, because y'all had blinds up there. The
Girl, Wes was pissed. No, the motherfucker. Actually, where he's gonna go in the basement. Anyway.
What's from the basement now?
I'm about to go get Fatty Girl.